Okay, Matt Petrillo here again. This is a continuation of a series of videos on stick control book. This will be step 2. I incorporated step 1 and 2 also in the first stick control video. I'm doing this on a drum pad because I can speak to you as I do this, as opposed to the volume of a drum and me speaking. It's an instructional video. I will have put together a series of videos on the stick control book as drum set application. Now, just to review a little bit on the stick control step 1, we discussed the full stroke and the half stroke. Now, just to review it, remember the full stroke, you're starting in this position and you're coming right back. The same thing with the left hand, starting in that position, coming right back. Now, the object is to make the right hand and the left hand sound the same. Now, after the full stroke, we went to half strokes, which is just simply, if this is a full stroke, well, we take half of that, and the same principles involved. We stroke from that point, and the stick comes right back. It's returned back. I throw the stick down and follow it back. Same thing with the left hand. So we did the full stroke and we did the half stroke. We did maybe five lines of page 5 of stick control book in full strokes with the vamp, and about 5 or 6 lines of stick control book page 5 with the half stroke with the vamp. Now we're going to talk about the quarter stroke. We have the full stroke, the half stroke, and now the quarter stroke. The quarter stroke is lower to the drum or your drum pad, and it gives you a lesser volume, but it also allows you to play at a much faster speed because the distance of the tip of my stick is pretty close to the drum as opposed to here or here. As you hear the difference in volume, I'm making the stroke at a quarter stroke position, which is about 4 or 5 inches from the drum. Now, the same thing with the left hand. I'm making that about 4 or 5 inches. Now, notice that my right hand and my left hand are equal in distance. It's not looking like this or like that. They're coming down from the same point. So, theoretically, if they come down from the same point, they should make the same sound. Now, there's things going around on YouTube or with other drummers, you need to practice and practice and practice until your muscles burn. Well, I can't agree with that because if your muscles are burning, you're creating tension. And if you create tension, you're disrupting the sound that you should be getting from the drumstick to the drum. And also, when you do tighten up, the impact is going up your arm, which will cause carpal tunnel and tendonitis. So you don't want to have any tension whatsoever. And if you feel any sort of discomfort when you practice, as your muscles are burning, you should stop and just relax. You have to practice relaxed. If you're practicing relaxed, that will not occur. So if you want to develop stronger arms with muscles in them and strong biceps, lift weights. This is drumming. There's no thing, it's no pain, no gain. Your muscles should not burn. They should be relaxed. If your muscles are relaxed, you're not going to burn. If you're going to push yourself to a point where you've never been, well, you have to do it slowly. If you push yourself to a point where you have not been getting your muscles start to burn, something is totally wrong. Stop, or else you will hurt yourself. So, that being said, and like I said, I'm going to be making other videos with drum set applications. We're going to go right to the quarter stroke. Before we do that, we're going to talk about the full stroke again, as the both sticks coming down from this point. It's about 18 inches. It's a power stroke. I'm throwing down fast. Now, half of that would be the half stroke, which would be a lesser volume, but they're still coming down from the same point, and both my sticks are equal in sound. Now, the next step is the quarter stroke. I'm stroking from here, about 3, 4 inches or 4.5 inches from the drum. right hand sounding the same as the left. And the same practice method you want to use. You want to play the line, repeat the line, and the hand you end with is the hand you vamp with. Now, in this position, it's going to allow you to play somewhat faster. So let's just start at maybe 120. Now I'm going to play the line, repeat the line, and then vamp for 4 measures, and go to the next line in the quarter stroke position. Now this metronome is at 120, which means that's the quarter note pulse. That's 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to play 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So here we go. We're going to start the line, repeat the line, vamp, and go directly to the next line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the stick heights. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Next line. 1, 2, 3. Heights. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same sound. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Line 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 4. Next line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Vamp. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Line 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3. Vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Now, everything is totally relaxed. There's no push in your body. Your muscles are relaxed, and there's no burning sensation. Now that was at 120, and like I said, the closer you are to the drum, the faster you should be able to move. So we're going to move that from 120. I wouldn't recommend this immediately, but say to 160 so I could demonstrate a little bit of speed. Half strokes again, the same thing. Line 1 through 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4. Line 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, vamp. 1, 2, 4, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at stick heights. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, vamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Wrist only, no fingers. 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, that's taking it from 120 to 160. And you can work yourself up to the metronome to 250, but in increments of maybe if it's at 160 now, maybe to 164, 168, 172. Only in increments of maybe 4 or 5 or 6. Don't try to push yourself or your muscles burn or you're going to hurt yourself. Now once, let's say you did it at 160, we could take the metronome down to say 80, which is half of 160. And we could think of now the stick control book in a different way. Instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to take the 2 measures and make it 1 measure. As 1E and the 2E and the 3E and the 4E and the. Now I'm going to do the line 2 times, and I'm going to vamp this time for 2 measures at 80, but I'm thinking 16ths. Like 1, 2, here you go, 16ths. 1E and the 2E and the 3, 4. 1E and the 2E and the 3, 4. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4 measures. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Bang. Now you can take that any place you want up to metronome. That's just developing some speed. But remember, you need to keep the sticks at one height. That's the quarter stroke position. Again, the full stroke, the half stroke, and the quarter stroke. So you have 3 positions there. I did teach in one of the videos a full stroke or a free stroke, a downstroke, a tap, and an upstroke. These are sticking positions to get in when you're accenting different rudiments or different places inside of the single strokes or obtaining different accents. So this is just about the quarter stroke, and just relax when you practice. Do not create any tension or you're going to hurt yourself. No burning of the muscles. That is totally ridiculous. There's no pain, no gain nonsense you take into a sporting arena, not with the drumming. And like I said before, I'm making a series of videos as drum set application and the many, many multiple ways to use the stick control book on the drum set. So I hope this is you'll enjoy this video and it kind of helps you in many ways. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will leave my email and we could discuss this a little bit further. And I do intend, like I said, to make a whole series of videos with drum set application coming soon. Thank you very much.